I decided to do an experiment with my RedBubble account. On my channel, there's a video discussing the different RedBubble tiers. Currently, RedBubble offers 3 tiers, and the standard tier, which is the lowest, involves a significant fee to RedBubble. For instance, I have a standard account, and last month I earned $114, but only received $64. In that video, I talk about how I set up an account for a client who immediately received the premium tier. I also mentioned that I was considering deleting my account and starting anew. However, I've chosen not to rush things and instead conduct an experiment instead of deleting my account. I plan to clean up my portfolio and remove any designs that I think might prevent me from getting a premium account. As I mentioned in that video, anyone with a standard account can request a review for a possible upgrade to the premium tier. I intend to remove all political designs, those in a gray area, and just plain worthless designs. For the remaining designs, I'll update the titles, descriptions, and keywords to align with RedBubble's requirements. To do this, I'll employ the method from this video and plan to create a bot that analyzes audiences, keywords, and generates optimized listings. I plan to produce 4 videos. The first one is the one you're watching right now. The second will showcase the account post cleanup and the application process. The third will reveal RedBubble's response to my application. And, if approved, the 4th video will show if there are any improvements in my earnings from RedBubble. Ultimately, my primary goal is to significantly boost my monthly income, while achieving the premium level is secondary. At this point, I have 822 designs, a complete mess with the descriptions and social media. I'll overhaul everything and see what happens. If you're interested, please like and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos in this series. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.